Yeah, I see they chopping that bed up, dropping down. Another shop out here. Uh huh. Okay, okay. Uh huh. Oh yeah, they tubbing it too. I see they moved it in. That's how they doing.
It's a new deal.
Uh huh.
Let me show him your shop. This is Rob from California.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Money car stereo.
How you doing?
Check it out. I like my bitches. I'm about to go over listening and see what's going on.
Ooh, gotcha. Shortening the rear ends. I see.
It's breaking all the way down here.
Uh huh.
What's up, bro? Yeah.
What we got here? This is a 225 Letra.
Lecture.
Ooh, they gonna put something deep up in here. Yeah.
He got the wheels right here.
Well, I was talking to the guys at I-95 Customs one time. I was down there, and they was the white boy was telling me, I like them low, Rob. I said, we ain't going up high no more. We keeping them on the ground. Yeah, that's gonna be on the
That's the
ground.
wheel right there. So he low.
Uh huh.
Tubbed in.
Yeah, yeah. Cause it takes some effort to get that wheel up under there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a master. He'll break this car down in 3 hours and then
Uh-huh.
he'll just be waiting on the parts to get put in.
Okay.
Brought it up so they can slam it.
Yeah. So the drive shaft don't
Drive
hit.
shaft don't hit that little notch on
Yeah. Man, see, seeing all these right here give me inspiration things I'm doing to my car. Like I said, I got these cars, and I'm seeing different stuff. I'm like, man, it's just so many things, so many different styles of things you can do with these that you just be like, wow.
I'm trying to get him to finish my car so y'all can finish and then I can drive. I'm about to go over there right now.
See, I'll drop the new floor pan up in there.
Well, it came with a floor pan, but all the pieces, like, this was rusted all out.
Uh-huh.
We repaired, we made and repaired everything. Front and back, rockers, we did the tub work.
Uh huh.
We had a lot of rust repair we had to really do in the back.
Oh, okay.
You know,
The rear end.
the chair bracket for the convertible.
Yeah, yeah.
So with the chair system there.
So this is the chassis that's going underneath here.
Yeah, this is the actual chassis.
Oh, man.
We plated it, redid the whole back end.
Uh huh. Is this the gas line we're looking at right here, running on top right here?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
We made new gas lines, new brake lines for this chassis.
Okay.
All us,
So,
for the most part.
so basically, y'all will can bring a car from the ground up to where we see it, paint and all that.
The paint, no.
Okay.
We can get you. We do got a guy who does paint.
Okay.
We can refer you to him.
As far as all the behind the scenes from the ground up stuff, that's definitely y'all department to make that happen.
Suspension,
Uh-huh.
putting your wheels, making sure that the wheels fit, and
Uh-huh.
the adjustments on that.
Okay.
Even, like with this, we had to end up putting a motor in it. We just had a chassis.
So
It
this
came
is
to
a.
frame, a 62.
Oh,
Oh, that's a actual 6.0 motor.
Oh, okay. I see the hitters.
6.0 with a 460 transmission.
Okay. And I see, yeah, got the five wire and all that. Yeah, that's some beautiful stuff, man.
Should I get this
So-
from Summit? You bought this
I
from
think
Summit?
it is. Yeah, it is a.
Well, it's like a
American
whole
built
pulley
or something
system,
like
yeah.
that. Serpentine system.
Serpentine
They have
system.
quite a few of them.
Oh, okay.
And the good thing about it, some is right down the street.
Yeah, right down the
so
street
y'all do
from
have
us.
So let me ask a question. Where are we at today, my man? What's the name of your shop, my man?
it. We're at the Bill Stop.
Bill Stop? All Texas. And you got a number of people get to you at where they want to get the services?
Yes, you can. Probably Instagram probably be the best
Well,
way.
what's your Instagram, man? Yeah.
At the Bill Stop.
At the Bill Stop. Okay. I got
Hit
you.
us up there, and that'd be the best way. To
The
get
best
in touch
way.
with us.
Okay. So if y'all want
A little
to,
bit of weight on it, but
for sure. If
we'll be
you
able to get in touch with you and then communicate back and forth. Discuss
okay, and
how
discuss what person want to do and how they can get it done. Okay, I'm
If you
just.
want the wheels to fit, we the spot for that.
We spot for that. Okay. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So
No, we got you. Whatever kind of car you want to do, you can do it.
Tell them how long it took you to knock my car out the whole suspension and drop.
He ain't supposed to tell people that.
Man.
He ain't supposed to tell people that.
Took the whole car apart before my rod got me.
What? He broke you down? And if you think about it, ain't too many screws to hold you together. You got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 the
No, I'm
most.
talking about we completely tore his suspension apart.
Oh, you-
the
front to
suspension,
back.
front to back.
Goddamn,
All
well,
out of the car.
I will say that in my man's defense. I tell everybody, my reverse game is good. I can take it to the bar quick. Especially I got the power tools and equipment. We're gonna break you down. If you're familiar with what you're working with also, too.
Well, we do that type of work a lot, so.
Okay, so you knew exactly where you wanted to go and how you wanted to make it happen.
We try to
Then.
make it happen.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm digging what I'm seeing, man. I'm put some on my Instagram and Facebook, shoot some business. Somebody reach out and touch, say, hey, man, I seen your work.
Hey, we
Get
always
with
with that.
Yeah.
We always with that, so.
So, what kind of cars do you enjoy working on? I mean, your favorite kind of cars when that come to your shop? Do you like the old school stuff, the new style stuff? I see you got 2 Impalas right here, a 62 and a 61. But I also see a deuce and a quarter. I see the G-body stuff over there.
Yeah, we really do
Your
a lot
favorite?
of-
What's your favorite though, my man? What's your favorite that you like?
There's a couple cars I like doing.
Uh-huh.
We do the Chevelles a lot.
Uh-huh.
Those are nice. I like how they come out. I'm more of a Chevelle type of dude anyway. But we do globs of B-bodies. So
Okay.
all SS's.
Uh-huh.
And from 90 to 96, we do so much of them.
So what's the major amount people get upgraded? Are they taking out that motor that with that OptiSpark thing out and putting the LSOs in those a lot of them cars, or what's the main thing people are doing to the Impalas?
Well, that just depends on what your flavor is. Some
Oh, okay.
people believe that the LT1 is the best thing to ever happen.
Uh-huh.
And then there's some guys that just, hey man,
LS or nothing?
I can easily get an LS.
Yeah, you
and
get
everything runs, you know what I'm saying?
you get a
Pretty much at
5.3
this
and throw an
point,
intake on it and you go.
I get the 3, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The comfortable number. But it just really depends. I've had some Ink chapter members come in and they still like the LT1, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
They do the Opti Delete. You know, MSD has that, so
Oh, okay.
it depends on what you want to do.
All
How
right,
far
for
it's
sure.
going to end up going.
Yeah, and how like the limit is your money sometimes.
And just the resources. Sometimes the resources
Oh.
are not there at points.
Yeah, like for example, that deuce and a quarter, if that car get hit in the front, it's over with. You got to buy another car just to fix that car.
Well, that's what we were having a problem with to begin with. That's a complete floor restoration from front to back.
Yeah.
We've had to cut out the whole body.
Okay.
Yeah, because the back was rusted out. They had a blow through and it rusted the whole car.
Yeah, because on certain cars, there's not a big aftermarket following for them. I've noticed that on some cars you don't want to get involved with.
And deuce and a quarter, drop top, you ain't got no following.
No, what you
We
got?
made all the floors for that.
See?
All the structure, all the framework. Is
And
all
that adds up to more money, more time.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if a person got that dream, then that's their dream.
Yeah. And that's really where you're at.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's good to invest and just wait on it, and sometimes it's good to just go for it because you only live once.
Yeah, you only live once. And
Yeah.
the guy that came back, he ain't told me about it yet. I heard about him, but I don't personally know him. But I know what you're saying. Yeah. Like they said, it's hard out here for people. Everybody gotta have a dream.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
And you deserve your first. So
Yeah, live your best life.
Yeah, one time. At least
Yeah,
let me have
exactly.
one car I finished. You could be like me and have many projects and none finished.
Oh, no.
It's just all.
I'm gonna tell you.
Every time I look around, I end up buying another car, but I don't know,
I got that same scenario. I got a 61, a 2, a 3, and a 4. And they in various stages of completion, but nothing's got to the finish line because I'm steady buying more cars.
I'm just blowing the budget that I was like, well, I'm really going to sit down and focus on this car. And then,
Because I got the LS, I got 2 LS motors. I got the other car, 6.4, going to be low ride. I got the chromed out motor. I'm going to buy a frame from him because we're going to wrap that low ride that car. I've got chrome suspension.
We do wraps too.
Yeah, because
Here's
he
the back of that one. If you see back here, it transitions. This is the play job they did. This is what we did. We replated it all the way back.
Oh, yeah, I see. Beautiful wheel joints too, man.
You know what I'm saying? So we completely redone that. That's not.
So y'all jumped us in. I see the add in right there.
So we've done all that.
Yeah, I'm saying y'all added that in, and
Yeah,
did y'all skip this in further for I see this big ass wheel ain't gonna fit in the stock location.
We tubbed this.
Yeah.
It's almost 2.25, 2.5, something like that.
Oh, and reset the truck box stuff and everything.
Yeah, we made all that. It didn't have it. It was all rusted. Body mounts, all the structures. If you want to look on the inside, that's all us.
Yeah, I see.
We made everything.
And you reworked the whole rocker panel
You
section.
can't buy those pieces.
No, you can't buy. You can buy the outside piece.
Yeah, you can buy this, and you can buy the floor.
You can buy the floor.
But the doghouse, the inner tub, where the seat sits at, all the bracketry, we had to rebuild it from scratch. That's all handmade.
And they make their own wheels.
Oh, okay. Y'all see it right there. The Believe shop right here. See the number, y'all. There you get it. He said he hit him on Instagram. They got their own line going.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Appreciate that. All right. Well, man, good talking with you, my brother. I appreciate your time.
Man.
All right, for sure, man. All right, for sure.
All right, bro.
We're going to put it out there and see if we can get you some
I'm going
business.
over there now and see what's the hold up. So.